Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make iced black tea lemonade. First, let's prepare our tea base. You'll want to steep 2 black tea bags in about 8 ounces of hot water for 5 minutes. This ensures a strong, flavorful foundation for your drink. After steeping, remove the tea bags and let the tea cool down. For the perfect iced beverage, chilling the tea in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour is key. This step is crucial for achieving that refreshing, crisp taste we're aiming for. Next, let's craft the lemonade component. You'll need 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice for that bright, tangy flavor. Combine this with 1 cup of simple syrup, which you can easily make by dissolving equal parts sugar in hot water and then cooling it. Then, add 3 cups of cold water to this mixture. Give it a good stir until everything is perfectly blended. This creates a balanced and refreshing lemonade that pairs wonderfully with the black tea. Now for the exciting part, combining our 2 delicious components. Take your chilled black tea and your freshly made lemonade. A great starting point is to mix them in equal parts in a large pitcher. For example, if you have 2 cups of tea, add 2 cups of lemonade. Feel free to taste and adjust the ratio to your liking, adding more tea for stronger flavor or more lemonade for extra tang. Stir gently to ensure a harmonious blend. Finally, it's time to serve your delightful iced black tea lemonade. Grab some tall glasses and fill them generously with ice cubes. The colder, the better for this refreshing beverage. Carefully pour your perfectly mixed black tea lemonade over the ice. For an extra touch of elegance and flavor, consider garnishing each glass with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. Enjoy this wonderfully balanced and invigorating drink on a warm day or anytime you need a pick-me-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.